this video, I will demonstrate tying the family of eights. So the first one I will tie is the simple figure eight. So you will cross, basically what you're doing, cross over the line, you come underneath. Now instead of going back and up through, that would be a simple overhand. So you come around the front of it, back through, and then you can see that forms a figure eight. So that is the simple eight. Now there's another one that I will include into this. So you tie your figure eight like this. This one is called a figure eight follow through. So if you come over here, I will use this as my anchor point that I'm trying to attach to. So what I do is I take my rope, I tie a figure eight. With this end that I have a lot of slack on, I will wrap my object. This is usually used for anchor points. What I'm going to do with this standing section of the rope is I will follow and trace this through. And what it essentially creates is a figure eight on a bite. So I'm following that line through. It comes down, up and around this one. Following it around, it comes around the back and up through. So as you see, I'm slowly following it through the rope. It wraps the back over the top and then drops down through the bottom. So that turns into a figure eight on a bite. However, that's how you attach it to an anchor point, and that knot is called the figure eight follow through. I will now show you how to tie a figure eight on a bite. So I take my rope in the middle of it, and that creates my bite. So essentially, I will be tying a figure eight with two pieces of rope. So I make a loop, I come around the back, and then I'm going to drop it through my loop right here. So I wrapped it around, I take my loop, my bite, and then tighten it up and dress it up. This can be used for anchor knots, this can be used for hoisting tools. It has a lot of different purposes. That's the figure eight on a bite.